Hello and welcome to this creative platform Piggy Ride. Namaskar, I am Bharatanatyam from Kolkata. I am a Lucknow Gharana Kathak artist, and here the students will learn the basics of Kathak. The main essence of the Lucknow Gharana Kathak is the footwork and the spins, which is the very effective part of Kathak. So let's begin our first class, and here students will learn the various mudras, the Namaskar, Hastaks and footworks. So it's how you will stand. Okay, so the standing should be like this. Your two hands should be proper like this. Okay, and it would be in the outside way with a V movement, and your elbows will be straight towards your shoulder, and your legs will be like this in a V posture, and the knees should be straight like this. Okay, this is how we stand. We will begin with our Namaskar. So for the Namaskar position, you have to stand like this. Okay, this what we have learned right now. From here, your right hand should be one, like one, not one. This should be one. Okay, and left hand also like one. Okay, with your leg one and two. Okay, so again 1 and 2. Your eyes should be with your hands. Eyes should be with your hands. Okay, so 1 and 2. Next, what it would be like this. These two hands should be like this. Okay, these two hands should be like this in a corner. Okay, and your legs should be one. So this way, 1. Okay, again starts from the beginning. 1, 2, 3. Okay, your legs 1 and 2. Okay, again starting from your right hand, 1 and 2. Eyes will contact with your hands. Okay, so 1 and 2. Next, your two hands should be in a corner way. Your two hands will go in a corner way. Okay, and your legs should be 1. Your right legs, right? Okay, your right legs should be 1 and 1. Okay, 1. With your hands, 1. Okay. Next, from this position, you have to sit. How? You have to sit with your right leg, with your right knees. Okay, like 1, and your two hands should touch the ground. 2. Okay, put your left knees also, and touch your eyes in this way. Move it around your head and stand in a way. Okay, and your legs should be like this in a T way. T. Okay, again starts from the beginning, the Namaskar. Ready? 2, 3, start. 1 and 2, 3, Namaskar. Okay, so Namaskar is the way when we will start our lesson. This is the Namaskar. Next we will learn the Hastaks. Okay, so for Hastaks there are many hand movements, and here you also have to stand like this. You have to stand like this. Okay, so starts from your right hand. The palm of your right hand should be in your face, in your way. Okay, and it will be in upward. 1 and 2. The elbows should be in an upward way. Okay, so 1 and 2. The hands, the palm of your right hand should be in up way. Okay, and from there you have to move it like this, 2, and you have to turn it in this way, 3 and 4. Okay, when you will start, the palm should be in your side, and drop it like this, turn it, and when you started to turn it, you have to, your palm should be in the upward direction. Likewise with your left hand also, 2, 3 and 4. Yes, please remember the elbows, when you start, the elbows should be in the up way. Okay, so in this way. Okay, and your eyes will also be with your hands. Okay, and when started with this Hastas, your legs should be like this, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so starts from the right leg. Start from the right leg. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, it ends in the left leg. In this way, when we will start our left hand, the leg will be started from this direction. Okay, from the left leg. Started from the left leg. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right? So starts from the beginning with your hands and legs. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right. So right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right. So this is number 1, Hastaks. Number 2, the Hastaks should be, the right hand should be in this way. Okay, it will be opened like this. It will be straight with your shoulder. 1, 2. It should be 2. It will be turned. 2, 3 and 4. Half circle. Again with the left hand. 1, 2, 3 and 4. The leg should be same as it before. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And also started from the left. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So with your hands and legs together, together. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right. Again, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right. So these are 2 Hastaks movements with your hands and your legs. So let's start with some mudras. Okay, this is called Asamjukt Mudra. Asamjukt Mudra. Why this is Asamjukt? Because the 2 hands will not used in these mudras. Okay, only one hand should be used in this mudra. So this is called Asamjukt Mudras. Okay, started from this, the hands should be like this. 1 in this posture. The fingers will be in this way together, and this is called Pataka. This is called Pataka. Okay, this mudra is called Pataka. Next, this one means the middle finger should be like this. It's called 3 Pataka. It's called 3 Pataka. Okay. Next, number 3. Put your another finger, the last finger, like this. It's Ardha Pataka. Okay. So again, starts from the beginning. Pataka, 3 Pataka, Ardha Pataka, Pataka, 3 Pataka, Ardha Pataka. Okay. Next, Kartari Mukha. How should it look like? Like a kanchi. Okay, like a scissor. Kartari Mukha. 2 fingers like this. Kartari Mukha. Okay. Next is Mayura. Okay, so thumb finger will be top of your middle finger. Is Mayura. Pataka, 3 Pataka, Ardha Pataka, Kartari Mukha, Mayura. Okay, so starts from the beginning. Pataka, 3 Pataka, Ardha Pataka, Kartari Mukha, Mayura. Okay. Next is Mushti. Is Mushti. Okay. Shikhar. Shikhar. Okay. So Shikhara should be like this. In your thumb finger should be upward like this. Okay. So starts from the beginning. Pataka, 3 Pataka, Ardha Pataka, Kartari Mukha, Mayura, Mushti, Shikhara. Okay. Pataka, 3 Pataka, Ardha Pataka, Kartari Mukha, Mayura, Mushti, Shikhara. So these are some Asamjukt Mudras that I teach you. So I hope my first class will be effective enough that you all, my beloved students, will learn something new. So do not wait, and it's high time to grab this opportunity. Therefore, please enroll your kids in this beautiful platform, Piggy Ride, and connect with me. Thank you.